True or false? 0.999 repeating equals 1. As a reminder, the ellipsis means the 9s repeat infinitely. They never terminate. Well, they're clearly very close, but they start with different numbers, so it might seem like they represent different values. Looking at a number line might help us come to a conclusion. Let's start by laying out some facts about real numbers on a number line. 1. If two numbers are different, there will be some space between them. And 2. This line has no gaps. So if these are different numbers, there would have to be some space between them. Let's zoom in on this space. Some other number, x, would have to fit here. Can you think of a number that would fit here? Every other number is either less than 0.999 repeating or greater than 1. So no numbers would fit in this space. But then the line wouldn't be continuous. So they must be the same number. Representing one value two different ways may seem strange, but we do it all the time. 1 is the same thing as 1.0, 0.333 repeating is 1/3, and 1/10 is the same thing as 0.1. If you're not convinced yet, here's a quick algebraic proof. If x equals 0.999 repeating, then 10x equals 9.999 repeating. If you subtract x from both sides, you'll get 9x equals 9. So divide both sides by 9 and you'll get x equals 1. Which means that x equals both 0.99 repeating and 1. And if you're familiar with limits, it might help to think of 0.99 repeating as a limit. Consider this sequence. X sub 1 is 0.9, x sub 2 is 0.99, and in general, x sub n has n nines after the decimal. The limit of this sequence as x goes to infinity is 0.99 repeating, or 1.